Here's something that might surprise you. The average person could earn an extra $5,000 to $10,000 a year with just 5 to 10 hours a week of side work. That's real money that could completely change your financial situation, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Look, we all know that a single job income is becoming harder to rely on. Whether you're dealing with inflation eating away at your paycheck or just want more breathing room in your budget, a side hustle isn't just nice to have anymore, it's becoming necessary. The good news? You don't need to be an entrepreneur or have special skills to start one today. Let's jump into the 5 side hustles that actually work in 2025. First up is freelancing, and this is probably the most accessible option out there. We're talking about using skills you already have: writing, design, social media management, bookkeeping, virtual assistants, and selling them on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even directly to small business owners. The beauty here is that you can start literally tomorrow. You don't need inventory, you don't need special equipment usually, and you can charge anywhere from $20 an hour to $200 an hour depending on your expertise. The challenge? You have to build reputation first. Think of it like this: you're starting from 0 reviews, so your first few months might be slower. But once you get traction, you can earn $3,000 to $5,000 a month working part-time. Real talk, though, this requires discipline because there's no boss telling you what to do. Second is content creation, which includes YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, blogging, all of it. I know what you're thinking. Isn't that impossible to monetize? It's not, but it does take time. You're looking at 3 to 6 months before you see meaningful income, but once you do, it can grow exponentially. The platforms pay based on views and engagement, and if you pick a niche, personal finance, productivity, fitness, you can build an audience faster. People are making $2,000 to $10,000 a month on YouTube alone, even with smaller channels. The downside is you need patience and consistency. Third is e-commerce and dropshipping. This is selling products online without holding inventory. You find products, list them on your own store or Amazon, and when someone buys, the supplier ships it directly to them. You keep the difference. The startup costs are low, maybe a few $100s, but here's the catch. Competition is fierce, and you need decent marketing skills to actually move product. I'd say if you're willing to learn Facebook ads and understand your audience, you can make $1,000 to $3,000 a month. But expect to lose money on your first few months while you figure it out. Fourth is the gig economy, driving for Uber or Lyft, delivering for DoorDash or TaskRabbit. This is the quickest way to earn money because you can literally start earning today if you're approved. No waiting for clients or building reputation. You can make $15 to $25 an hour depending on where you live and how efficient you are. The trade-off? You're using your time and energy directly so it doesn't scale. You can't make more money without working more hours. Plus, wear and tear on your car adds up. Finally, number 5 is tutoring and teaching, either online or in person. If you're good at math, English, a language, or any subject, there's serious demand. Companies like Chegg, Tutor.com, and VIPKid pay between $15 and $50 an hour. In-person tutoring in your area can pay even more. This is probably the most stable of all the side hustles because you're building relationships with regular students. Here's what really matters. Pick something that aligns with your skills and lifestyle. If you hate talking to people, don't do gig work. If you don't have creative confidence, maybe skip content creation. The best side hustle is the one you'll actually stick with. Start small, test it out, and scale what works. Most people fail at side hustles, not because the opportunity isn't there, but because they give up in month 2 when it feels slow. One more thing. Remember, disclaimer. This is not financial advice, and you should always consult with a licensed financial advisor about your specific situation. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more money tips, and drop a comment below telling me which side hustle you're most interested in trying. What's your biggest money question right now? Let me know and I'll cover it in a future video.